Hey there, it's another YourBirminghamHome.com listing. I'm Joseph Daley, and today we're showcasing our newest listing in the Lake Crest community on Trumpet Circle. This home offers separate bedrooms from the living spaces downstairs, access to all of Lake Crest's amenities, and the best part is that you don't even have to cut your own grass. How about that? Let's take a look inside. If you like what you saw today, maybe you don't want to cut your own grass and you're ready to schedule your own private showing, head on over to yourbirminghamhome.com right now.